Diwali with enthusiasm and safely, right? After so many holidays, once again, we are back to studies, right? So 13.8 was going on. Let us continue with the same exercise, 13.8. Yes. Question number 6 we were doing. Let us continue with that. I think a calculation was going on and I was telling you the trick to solve that calculation easily. Let us continue it. The same question once again. Question number 6th that we were doing. That a hemispherical tank. There is a hemispherical tank. It is made up of iron sheet. It is made up of iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. This is the thickness around. One centimeter thick iron sheet have been used to make this hemispherical tank. It is given that inner radius of the tank is 1 meter. Inner radius is 1 meter and the thickness of the tank is 1 centimeter. This thickness where the iron sheet has been used, this is given to be 1 centimeter. This is given to be 1 centimeter, right? Now the question is, he says, find the volume of the iron that has been used to make the tank. इस टैंक को बनाने के लिए जो iron use किया गया उसका volume we want to find. So earlier we have done hollow cylinder. In case of hollow cylinder, I have told you that volume of the hollow cylinder doesn't mean that how much things it is, how much quantity of the water or liquid it is containing, because it is being hollow, can't contain anything, right? So volume of the hollow cylinder means volume of the material that has been used to make the wood. No doubt इस बाउल का जो वॉल्यूम होगा that will be the volume of the internal part, क्योंकि बाउल जो है वो नीचे से जो closed है, so that will be the volume of the inner hemispherical part. But as far as the volume of the material is concerned that has been used to make this bowl, so that will be same procedure as we have done in the case of the hollow cylinder, that outer volume, when inner volume is subtracted from the outer volume, that will give you the volume of the material that has been used to make the hollow cylinder. Same case will follow here, that if we want to find this material, that how much this material is used in making this hemispherical bowl, then what we people do, first of all, this whole bowl's volume, इस पूरे बाउल के वॉल्यूम में से what we will do, we will subtract the volume of the inner bowl. When we will subtract the volume of the inner bowl from the whole spherical hemispherical bowl, whatever is left, that will be the volume of the sheet which has been used to make this hemispherical bowl. So that means our motive is to subtract from the outer volume the inner volume to get the volume of the sheet which is used to make the bowl. So it means we need the inner radius as well as the outer radius. Chaliye, let us start with the solution. So inner radius, small r, it is given to be 1 meters. So I would like to convert it into centimeters because thickness is in centimeter. So let us have r equal to 100 centimeter. This is the inner radius, right? So let us consider the outer radius. So as far as outer radius is concerned, now this is outer radius. See, this is the inner radius and it is 1 meter and this is the thickness 1 centimeter. When in this inner radius, this thickness is added, we will get the outer radius. You might have remembered the question you were doing in 7th or 8th standard when it was told that this is a circular path and one path has been made, 1 meter broad path has been made outside. then find the volume or find the area or like that. So what do you do? When you are going from the radius of the inner circle to the outer circle, what do? You add the width of the path to the inner radius, right? Same is here. If we want to find the outer radius, we have to add this path width, this thickness to the inner radius. Therefore, for outer radius, this small r will be added to the thickness, that is 1 centimeter, right? This is centimeter. This is also centimeter. This is 101 centimeter, and that is capital R. So capital R हमारे पास आ गया 101 centimeter. Small r, capital R, we have dictated like this, right? Now we will write that volume of the sheet, yeah, iron, volume of the iron used to make the tank, is equal to, same concept, that outer volume subtracted from the inner volume will give you the volume of the iron, right? So you will write outer volume minus the inner volume. Outer volume, inner volume, right? So as far as outer volume is concerned, the tank is hemispherical. So the formula that will be used is 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. This formula we'll use 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. And for the inner volume, we'll use 2 by 3 pi small r cube. Inner volume 2 by 3 pi small r cube. To make the calculation easiest, what we people do, we'll take 2 by 3 pi as common. So this is further equal to 2 by 3 pi common inside capital R cube minus small r cube, right? So further it is equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube. We just have find out this was 101, its whole cube, and small r cube that we have converted into the centimeters, that is 100 cube. So it's up to you. You can do the calculation in any way, whatever you like. Multiply 101 3 times, you get the answer. Multiply 100, but I would like to do it with formula a cube minus b cube. That will give the easiest way to solve it. So a cube minus b cube, a minus b. This is a square plus b square plus ab. A square plus b square plus ab. Formula I have used a cube minus b cube. We all know, we have done the chapter identities, polynomials identities. So just wait. Right? So this is equal to 2 by 3 pi. 101 minus 100 will give us 1. This is 101 square. This will be 10,000. 101 into 00. 101 into 101 calculation. So this is 1 0 0 added to 10 0. So this will be 101. See the multiplication, same answer we are getting. 101 0 0 0 101 0 1. This will be 2. 10210 answer. See the multiplication. 101 into 101. 02101. No, I am saying multiplication देखें पहले हम. 10201 मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके आ रहा है इसको, वो चलो हम निकाल लेंगे फाइनल आंसर. 10201 by multiplying 101 to 101. So yes, further equal to 2 by 3 pi, let us take it to be 22 by 7 ये मान्य मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. सो एडिंग दीज ऑल, we will be having 10203. हाँ जी, पेयर 1030301. So we will be having, हाँ जी, note it down, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 30301. Check the calculation side by side. You people should do the calculation side by side. So I hope that books are, you have kept the books aside with you. Aside, it doesn't mean that aside, right? Keep the book with you so that you can understand the question well. So further, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 30301, and that is equal to 44,30301 over 21, right? So this is equal to 44, 0 plus 4, 4, 44, 3 is 132, 44, 3 is 132 plus 1, 133 divided by 20. Divide it with 21, you will get the answer. This is little bit easiest way to do the calculation. If you multiply again 101, 101, 101, that will again difficult. That multiply 101 3 times and then minus and all that. Divide, you will do it division yourself and you will get the answer, right? Chaliye, let us start with question number 7. Hanji, Arman wants to ask something. Yes, Arman, what is your question?
मैम आंसर बहुत लंबा आ रहा है.
आंसर किसने बोला कि आंसर लंबा आए तो गलत होता है?
वो वैसे
You
ज्यादा
just
आ रहा था ना.
take it if division is not going on with the zero remainder, then take it to be the up to the 3 decimal places. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Chaliye, let us start with question number 7. Question number 7. This is find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. We are given the surface area of the sphere and we want to find the volume. Chaliye. Surface area of the sphere means total surface area. So we are given the total surface area to be 154 and we want to find volume. Using the total surface area, you will find the radius. Write down the formula. This is 4 pi r square is equal to 154. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 into 7 over 7 becomes numerator, 424 becomes denominator, 22 sorry. This becomes 7. So r square 49 by 4. R square root of 49 by 4. That is 7 by 2 is the answer for the radius. So radius of the sphere, by using the formula of the total surface area, we are getting it to be 7 by 2. So radius is coming out to be 7 by 2. We want to find its volume. Chaliye, write down. So volume is equal to 4 by 3 into pi r cube. 4 by 3, 22 by 7, r cube, 7 by 2 cube. So this is 4 by 3, 22 by 7, 7 by 2 will be written 3 times. So this get cancelled, these two 2's get cancelled. So we are having even 2, 11. So we are having 11 into 7 divided by 3. This 11, 2 7s and in the denominator 3. So this is equal to 11 into 49 by 3. (539/3). Approximately this will be the answer. Volume is 179.66 centimeter cube. So those who are sitting in the class, they want to note it down side by side. So for them, I am waiting, and hope those who are sitting in home, they are also noting it down side by side. Hardly matters. It is not asked that we have to find the answer in the mixed fraction or decimal, or you do it the division and get the answer. Chalo. Let us start with question number 8. Let the students write. 4 students are with us: Ravneet, then Vineet, Roop, Vivan, and Parikshit. Chalo. Let us start with question number 8. So many times I have put the message in the group 9th AB that registered yourself with Diksha app and appear for the Aryabhat Ganit competition. So I hope that after this period will get finished, I will get so many responses from your side that you have registered for that particular competition. Chaliye, question number 8. A dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere. Dome of a building, एक building है उस पे ऐसे डूम बना हुआ है हेमिस्फेरिकल फॉर्म में. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी सी मस्जिद, मंदिर, गुरुद्वारा ऐसे ऊपर डूम बना होता है. सेम इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए हेमिस्फीयर. हेमिस्फेरिकल फॉर्म में ये डोम जो है इट इज बीइंग मेड. So from inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. Its inside is to be whitewashed. इसके अंदर अंदर जो है वो पेंट करना है. देखो हेमिस्फेरिकल अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है, इफ वी आर पेंटिंग इट्स इनसाइड, दैट मींस वी आर कवरिंग इट्स कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. चाहे हम बाहर की बात करें चाहे हम अंदर की बात करें, उतना ही एरिया बाहर होगा जितना अंदर होगा. दैट मींस वी आर टॉकिंग, ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. It is being whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meters, then find the inside surface area of the dome as well as the volume of the air that is contained inside the dome. सबसे पहली बात, so many times this kind of question is there when it is being asked find the surface area when the total cost is given and the cost per square unit is given. अब तीन चीजें होंगी हमारे पास. One thing which the thing which is to be painted, another thing the total cost, and the third thing cost per unit, right? अब यहाँ पे इन तीन चीजों के अगर हम आंसर्स ढूंढें, what is to be whitewashed? Inside surface area. Inside surface area is to be whitewashed. ठीक है? And what is the total cost of whitewashing? Total cost of whitewashing is given to be 498.6. 498.6. ठीक है? 498.96. This is total cost. And third thing must be given is the cost per square centimeter. And the cost per square centimeter per square meter is given to be rupees 2. So inside surface area हम देखते हैं अभी I am just writing the three things whatever are given to us. So inside surface area अभी हमें इसके बारे में पता नहीं है, बट हमें जो जो चीजें इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में चाहिए होती हैं, let us write them. The total cost 498.96, right? Cost per square meter ठीक तो है 498.96. हो सकता है in some of the books might be, some of the books it is 498 and 9.6, in some of the books point is there, so accordingly it doesn't matter where, if the statement is like point idhar to udhar, to you can do the calculation accordingly. So in the question, in the paper, statement can be changed, ठीक है, and whether it is numerically or conceptually, so you have to be very very careful. Doesn't mean that book में ये था हमारे पेपर में ये आ गया, ये कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. यू आर इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड, यू शुड प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर एवरी काइंड ऑफ चैलेंज, ठीक है. सो कॉस्ट पर स्क्वायर मीटर इज इक्वल टू ₹2. अब इन तीनों को आप कैसे रिलेट करते हो? इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया, कॉस्ट पर स्क्वायर मीटर एंड टोटल कॉस्ट, तीनों के बीच में एक रिलेशन होता है. दैट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क फ्रॉम जानवी 9th A. हाँ जी जानवी, Janvi 9th A. बच्चे unmute yourself, come forward and give me the answer. Janvi. एकजोत, एकजोत. दक्ष, दक्ष पावा, दक्ष. बच्चे unmute
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
हाँ जी दक्ष. 3 things I have written on the board: total cost of whitewashing the inner inside surface area, and inside surface area, and the cost per square meter. What is the relation between these three? Ekjot, what is the relation between these three? Ekjot. No reaction. Harjot Singh. हरजोत सिंह. केशव कालड़ा, केशव कालड़ा, केशव. कृतिका, कृतिका, कृतिका. पलक. दक्ष, you can speak, you are unmuted. हाँ जी दक्ष, speak up.
मैम ये सारे स्क्वायर मीटर में है,
नहीं,
पर स्क्वायर मीटर.
रुपीस में, कोस्ट तो रुपीस में है. मुझे ये बताओ, इन तीनों को अगर मैंने एक रिलेशन में लिखना हो तो मैं कैसे लिखूंगी? जैसे व्हेन x y they are in direct proportion, we write x over y is equal to k. उसी तरह से when total cost of whitewashing the inside surface area is given, then inside surface area, total cost और cost per square meter के बीच में जो रिलेशन हम लिखते हैं, बहुत बार कर चुके हैं अभी हम ये चीज, तो इसको क्या रिलेशन लिखा जाएगा? हरजोत सिंह, you can speak, you are also unmuted. अंशिका, अंशिका, अंशिका.
Yes, ma'am.
You tell.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होगा रिलेशन तीनों में?
मैम कि अगर जैसे जो टोटल इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया जो है, अगर हम उसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारे पास टोटल कॉस्ट आ जाएगी.
That means whatever is to be whitewashed, on which the work is to be done, that thing multiply cost per square meter, cost per unit is equal to the total cost. किसी भी चीज का total cost कैसे निकालते हैं? That thing is multiply the cost per square unit. That's it. So you will write inside surface area into cost per square meter is equal to total cost. ऐसे ही निकालते हो आप total cost. If I am not wrong, we find the total cost in this way only, that total surface, sorry, जिसका भी cost निकालना है, that thing multiply per square meter cost into total cost. चलिए, so therefore inside surface area that is to be find out, it is written as it is, cost per square meter ₹2 and the total cost is 498.96, right? So inside surface area, this is equal to 498.96 divided by 2, and this is further equal to 498.96 meter square inside surface area. 249.48 meter square. This was the first requirement that find the inside surface area of the dome that we have find out. Inside surface area of the dome 249.48 meter square. ये आ गया हमारे पास inside surface area. Second part is also find the volume of the air that is contained in the dome. So whatever is the volume of the air contained in the dome, that is equal to the volume of the dome itself. So to find out the volume, that is hemispherical dome, the formula, Parikshit, which formula we will use? This is a hemispherical dome. What will be the formula used for its volume? Huh? Hemisphere. हाँ जी विवान 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. और जैसे कि मैं अक्सर कहती हूँ बच्चे इसमें स्क्वायर लिखते हैं, तो विनीत रूप ने बोला भी स्क्वायर 2/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. दिस मिस्टेक जनरली स्टूडेंट डू. सो याद रखना वॉल्यूम है क्यूबिक यूनिट में होता है, तो 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. हाँ, उसके लिए वी नीड आर. सो फ्रॉम वेयर आर इट विल बी फाइंड आउट? आर विल बी फाइंड आउट बाय यूजिंग द इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया फॉर्मूला. राइट डाउन. सो अभी हमें पता चला है दैट इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया इक्वल टू 249.48. तो इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया मींस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द डोम. अगर एक डोम है ऐसे, मैं हेमिस्फेरिकल बाउल को आई पुट इट इन इन्वर्टेड फॉर्म, उल्टा इसको रख दूं, तो उसका जो इनसाइड सरफेस एरिया होगा दैट विल बी सेम एज द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. दैट मींस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ डोम is equal to 249.48. Replacing the formula of the curved surface area, this is hemisphere, so curved surface area is 2 pi r square. 249.48. So we need r from here, na? So this is pi r square. 2 get divided on the other side. 249.48 divided by 2. So pi r square, this is equal to 124.74. ठीक है. So let us shift pi on the another side. So we are having r square is equal to 124.74 pi 22/7. So r square is equal to 124.74 into 7 over 22. Right? So further it is equal to 22. देखिए जरा कहाँ पे इसकी कटिंग होगी. 22 6 आर 132 नहीं 5 पे जाएगा. 5 4 7 पूरा जाना चाहिए, जा नहीं रहा पूरा. कहीं कैलकुलेटिव कुछ मिस्टेक हुई है. यहाँ पे 48 था. This was 249.48. एक मिनट, ये डेसिमल में पूरा जा नहीं रहा. This is 120, then it will be 4 7 34 22, then 2 1 0 आएगी. चलो ठीक है, एनी हाउ करते हैं इसकी कटिंग. This will be 22 5 6 7. पहले भी यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुई है थोड़ी सी. 110 डिवाइड करते हैं इसको. एक मिनट, जस्ट वेट. 22 से 110 4 1 7 6 पे जाएगा ये, 5 1 and then 4, 5.67 चेक कर लो अभी भी, क्योंकि फिर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होगी आगे। 110 4 1 1 5 1 5.67 आ रहा है कटिंग करके 22 को उसके ऊपर वाले नंबर से। 5.67, चलो इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें। 5.67 इंटू 7, 39.36, सॉरी 39.69। कैलकुलेशन प्लीज चेक इट साइड बाय साइड। 69, let us see its square root. I think 40 50 into 50, 53 into 53, (53 into 53 भी नहीं होगा, और 57 into 57, थ्री टू 49 आ रहा है। 59 into 59 अभी भी कम है, तो 63 into 63, ये शायद बन जाएगी बात, यहाँ पे बन गई बात। 63 का स्क्वायर रूट बनेगा, ये 6.3 आएगा। r इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 39.69, सो r इज इक्वल टू 6.3। आफ्टर गेटिंग द स्क्वायर रूट r कम्स आउट टू बी 6.3। मैंने सीधा मल्टीप्लाई करके देखा, देखो या तो 3 के साथ 3 मल्टीप्लाई होकर 9 देता है, या 7 के साथ। मैंने 53 चेक किया, 57 चेक किया, छोटा आ रहा था। देन आई गो फॉर 63, आई एम गेटिंग 3969 एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 6.3। थोड़ा हम हिट ट्रायल से करके देख लेते हैं, अदरवाइज आप स्क्वायर रूट आपको आता है, आप उसके साथ भी कर सकते हो। तो r comes out to be 6.3 and the second part it is asked that find the volume of the air inside. So write down, therefore volume of air inside 4/3 pi r cube, and that is equal to 4/3 22/7 6.3 cube r cube, and that is equal to 4/3 22/7 6.3 6.3 6.3। कटिंग करें इसकी, 7 9s are 0.3, so this is 88, 0.3 6.3 6.3। hurry up, do the calculations, let me do side by side, you also do। 26.4 into 3, अभी हमने किया था 63 को 63 से, 39 पॉइंट कितना था 6, ये था ना 63 इंटू 63, आर स्क्वायर की वैल्यू कितनी आई थी हमारी, 39.6, बस ठीक है। Now multiply 26.4 with 39.69, you will get the answer for the volume. Davnesh is here to say something. हाँ जी Davnesh।
मैम फॉर्मूला गलत लगा दिया, 2/3 आना था 4/3
हो, this is hemisphere, सॉरी, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, एक 2 कम हो गया, तो यहाँ पे आपके पास 44 आ जाएगा 88 की जगह। अब कर लो 13.2 because dome is hemispherical shape, so we will do 2/3 pi r cube. Now do the multiplication and get the answer. You will get the answer now. अपने आप करना multiplication, या भी करो, 13.2 1 decimal multiply 39.69. हाँ जी दिनेश, is it okay?
यस मैम, इसका आंसर 523.908 आ रहा है।
523.098, हाँ इतना ही आंसर आएगा, मल्टीप्लाई करो इसे। चलो भैया, मान says okay. चलिए, so further multiply and get the answer, you will get the same answer as it is desired. चलिए, let us start. Firstly I will do question number 10, that is little bit that is less complicated and little bit small solution than that of 9th. So whatever time we are having, I think we will complete 10th question. So firstly I am doing 10th, बाद में 9th करते हैं, and after doing 9th and 10th question, our syllabus for PT3 will be finished, and then we will see that how we will move with the revision from tomorrow. चलिए, question number 10 we are going to start. चलिए, this is all about today's lecture according to the scheduled time. So stay safe, stay home. I'm going to end the meeting for